Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our usual analysis for gold for the 12th of December 2023. Starting with Forex Factory, see what's happening in the market. As you can see, we got heavy impact news at 1:30 p.m. UK, all these times are UK time. So we got CPI, it's very important news. And 6 o'clock, we got medium impact USD news. So that's news which we're usually more interested in US news, US dollar news. And if you trade in GBP pairs like GJ or GBP USD, then we've got GBP news as well, 7 a.m. So that's the news. And now let's go to Dixie chart. As I said yesterday, the market rejected from this golden ratio level. This is a daily chart. The market is still moving around the same area. So basically, we're expecting huge movement on the dollar. As you can see that there's a fair value gap here. So it's possible that gap will be filled. So if the good news is good, we can expect that the market will go to the upside, Dixie market. I mean the dollar index. So and the gold can go down with that news. Now let's come on to the gold. See, we had a daily movement of almost 2007 to 1977. So we got nearly 300 pip move today, and the market is currently the 0.786 fib level. We do expect some sort of rejection from here, being a fib level here, but let me go further, because there's a level here. It's possible that this can be a slight move to the upside up to this level. Let's see in daily, in smaller time frame, in 4 hours, see what the situation is. There is a level, but there might be some smaller movement to the upside. However, what I can see, most likely, especially the news is positive, market can come onto this level. Currently, market standing at this level. Let me make at this level. This is a level here. We got another level here. In fact, there's a zone, and this is another level here. So these are the levels around 1960, around 1940. These are the levels. We can expect if the market comes down, it can come these levels slowly. However, the final level, strong level, will be around 1940 levels. So that's the situation, and we'll purely move with the Dixie, not just the Dixie, but we'll have a look on Dixie as well. It means we'll look on the news as well, because Dixie will move according to news, and we probably have good move tomorrow. At the moment, it's kind of it's some sort of head and shoulder pattern. So we can 15-minute chart. So there's a possibility of move to the upside and then for the downside. So that's what we have at the moment. So I will look for sell opportunities, possibly around from here, as I just shown you in the 15-minute as well, with the confirmation. First target here, and then further targets along these areas. So this is the last 1930 area. although I said in around 1940. So 1940 to 1930 is a strong area. So there's a 100 pip gap here. So market, when you see in larger time frame, this 100 pip gap can occur in the market. It's a zone. So there's a rejection zone basically. So we'll look in the smaller time frame to catch our pips for day trading. So this is general move which is discussed in this video. It's not a financial advice. It's only mentioned some important levels. Just give you the market idea. It's you have to manage the risk according by yourself, and especially look into smaller time frame and according to your capital. And I hope this is useful. And you have a good day. Good night. Thank you. Bye bye.